Hey, fifth graders. So today we're going to be solving word problems that are involving the volume of rectangular prisms with whole number edge lengths. I'm going to remind you about the vocabulary again because it's going to come up for you later today. Prisms are any three-dimensional shapes, so a rectangular prism is a three-dimensional shape that's shaped like a rectangle. So Stickman's first planter is 8 feet long and 2 feet wide. The container is filled with soil to a height of 3 feet in the planter. So let's stop and label. So we got all of the dimensions for our rectangular prism. We got the length, 8 feet long, the width, 2 feet wide, and filled to a height of 3 feet. Cool, so height of 3 feet, 8 feet long, 2 feet wide, awesome. So remind me, what's the formula for volume again? Oh yeah, length times width times height. Does it have to be in that order? No, because remember, does order matter in multiplication? No. Any order is fine, but usually we talk about it as length times width times height. So 8 times 2 times 3. Well, 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 times 3 is 48. And then, feet. And since we're talking about volume, cubed. Voila. So I'm going to get you a little bit started here, and then I want you to do the rest. Stickman wants to grow some tomatoes in 4 large planters. He wants each planter to have a volume of 32 cubic feet, but he wants them all to be different. So show 4 different ways Stickman can make these planters, and draw diagrams with the planter's measurements. Hey look, this diagram's already for you. So first we need to think of 3 factors that will give us a product of 32. Well, I know that 8 times 4 is 32. So I'm going to start off with 8 times 4 times 1. And then here, I'm even going to give you another one, and then you're on your own. I know that 4 times 2 equals 8. So 2 times 4, that would equal 8, times another 4 would get me to 32. You come up with the other 2, draw out the diagrams, and solve the volume for each of them. Remember, each of them needs to equal 32 feet cubed.